Lavender Decoded, Insider Secrets to Growing, Harvesting, and Enjoying. Embark on a fragrant journey as we unravel the mysteries of lavender cultivation and appreciation. In this enlightening guide, we'll unveil insider tips and techniques to help you cultivate thriving lavender plants, harvest them at their aromatic peak, and incorporate them into your daily life for maximum enjoyment. Whether you're a seasoned lavender enthusiast or a curious beginner, prepare to be inspired by the beauty and versatility of this beloved herb. Understanding lavender varieties. Lavender comes in a variety of species and cultivars, each with its own unique characteristics and uses. From the classic English lavender Lavandula angustifolia to the robust French lavender Lavandula dentata and the fragrant Spanish lavender Lavandula stoiches, there's a lavender variety to suit every garden and preference. Explore the diverse range of lavender cultivars available and learn how to select the best varieties for your climate, soil type, and intended use. Whether you're seeking compact plants for borders and containers or sprawling varieties for mass plantings and hedging, we'll help you navigate the options and make informed choices for your lavender garden. Creating the perfect growing environment. Lavender thrives in sunny, well-drained locations with minimal humidity and good air circulation. Before planting, assess your garden space and make any necessary adjustments to ensure optimal growing conditions for your lavender plants. Choose a site that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight per day, as lavender requires ample light for robust growth and abundant blooms. Improve soil drainage by amending heavy clay or compacted soils with organic matter such as compost or aged manure. Avoid overwatering, as lavender is susceptible to root rot in soggy soil conditions. Instead, water deeply but infrequently, allowing the soil to dry out between waterings. Mulch around the base of the plants to conserve moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature, creating a hospitable environment for healthy lavender growth. Planting and propagating lavender. Whether you're starting from seeds or transplants, proper planting techniques are essential for establishing strong, healthy lavender plants. If starting from seeds, sow them indoors 6 to 8 weeks before your last expected frost date, as lavender seeds require a period of cold stratification to germinate. Use a well-draining seed starting mix and provide bottom heat to expedite germination. Once the seedlings develop true leaves, transplant them into individual pots to promote root development and acclimatize them to outdoor conditions before planting them in the garden. If starting from transplants, choose healthy, vigorous plants with compact growth and well-developed root systems. Plant lavender in well-drained soil, spacing the plants according to their mature size to allow for adequate airflow and sunlight penetration. Water the newly planted lavender thoroughly and monitor soil moisture levels to ensure proper establishment. Essential care and maintenance. While lavender is relatively low maintenance once established, it benefits from regular care and attention to ensure optimal growth and longevity. Pruning is an important practice that helps maintain the shape and vigor of lavender plants while promoting abundant flowering. Prune lavender in early spring or late summer to remove spent blooms and shape the plants as desired. Avoid cutting into old wood, as lavender plants may struggle to regenerate from woody stems. Fertilize sparingly with a balanced fertilizer formulated for flowering shrubs to provide essential nutrients without promoting excessive foliage growth. Monitor for signs of pests and diseases, and take prompt action to address any issues before they escalate. Inspect the plants regularly for early detection of problems, and remove any affected foliage or flowers to prevent further spread. Harvesting lavender for maximum fragrance. The key to harvesting lavender for maximum fragrance and potency lies in timing and technique. Harvest lavender flowers when they are in full bloom, just as the first few flowers begin to open. Choose a dry, sunny day to harvest lavender when the essential oils are at their peak concentration. Use sharp pruning shears to cut the flower stems just above the foliage, leaving a few inches of stem attached to the plant. Bundle the harvested lavender stems together and hang them upside down in a warm, well-ventilated area to dry. Once dried, remove the flowers from the stems and store them in airtight containers away from light and moisture to preserve their fragrance and flavor. Use dried lavender flowers in a variety of culinary, medicinal, and craft applications, from soothing teas and fragrant sachets to aromatic bath salts and culinary delights. Incorporating lavender into your daily life. Lavender's enchanting fragrance and versatile uses make it a beloved herb for culinary, medicinal, and decorative purposes. Explore creative ways to incorporate lavender into your daily life, from culinary delights to natural remedies and DIY projects. Infuse culinary creations with the delicate flavor of lavender by adding dried flowers to baked goods, beverages, and savory dishes. Harness lavender's soothing properties in homemade skincare products, aromatherapy blends, and herbal remedies for relaxation and well-being. Create fragrant sachets, potpourri, and bouquets to enjoy the beauty and aroma of lavender indoors year-round. Whether you're crafting handmade gifts, enhancing your home decor, or simply indulging in a moment of self-care, lavender offers endless possibilities for creativity and inspiration. That's all for today's video. If you guys liked the video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for latest videos. Thanks for watching.